Today's contact center is a vast, dark landscape scattered with beacons, networks, browsers, infra and apps, along with AI and human agents. Each beacon pulses out its own signal, its own precious data. But without a way to bring those signals together, IT and ops teams are left in the shadows, troubleshooting symptoms without ever seeing the full picture. That's where Operata comes in. The world's first CX observability platform purpose-built for the modern contact center. By piecing together technical, operations, and experience data across systems, Operata shines a spotlight on your customer experience, surfacing patterns that allow you to prevent issues and diagnose them faster. Operata co-pilots agents, proactively improving every customer interaction, wherever and whenever it unfolds. Collect data from every human and AI touchpoint. See it come to life with real-time insights into behavior and performance, and spark action to fix technical and operational glitches before they escalate. With Operata, you gain full observability into your contact center technology and operations, ensuring a truly connected experience for your customers and your business. Get started with Operata today.